Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn how we convert the paragraph into uppercase and lowercase. As we already know about this, that we can convert the whole paragraph into uppercase and lowercase with simple clicking on this icon. So, how can do this? Simply Control A, select all the paragraph and click on this icon. There is a simple different bars is present for conversion of sentence case, lowercase and uppercase. We can convert or complete paragraph into specialized form such like into the sentence case, such like for example we will want to convert into the lowercase. This is already in lowercase. This will be filled when I will convert into the uppercase. Yes, you can see here. So this is the simple method that we can convert the whole paragraph into a specified words. So there is also a shortcut key is present that we can convert this whole paragraph, and that shortcut key is shift plus F3. So when we want to convert this paragraph into uppercase and lowercase and sentence case, we will just select Control A, and whole complete paragraph will be selected. We then press Shift F3, then it will convert into the uppercase. When we will again press Shift F3, it will convert into the lowercase. When we again press into the Shift F3, it will convert into the sentence case. So there is a usage of shortcut key. I think this is very helpful for you. Share with your friends and stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Allah Hafiz.